Alright, for this, I'm going to show a basic modding tutorial for Plants vs. Zombies Garden Warfare 2. So what you'll want to do is download Frosty Editor and open it. To add your actual Garden Warfare 2 game to it, you'll want to hit New, go to where Garden Warfare 2 is stored, so in this case, the disk EA, Garden Warfare 2, and the .exe file. Now you'll see this, so hit that, hit Select. This may take a moment, depending on how fast your computer is, as it's loading the game files. So now once you're in the editor itself, you want to go to Gameplay. And for this, I will be showing how to change the HP of any character. So under Gameplay, you'll see Soldiers, open Soldiers. Click on Human. And now you'll have a bunch of different characters in here. So for this, we'll be doing Captain Brains, which is actually Super Brains, since I can show a few things with him. So open the asset, object, and here you'll see max health. And then you change that to whatever you'd like. Pretty quick and easy. For the next part of this, you want to go to weapons. This will change pretty much anything you'd like about the weapon. So for this, I'm going to be using kernel corn. In this case, it'll be labeled as assault corn. Butter Buster, which is all of his weapons. And if you open that, wait, corrections under primary. I apologize. Assault corn, primary. Here you'll see, which is the projectile. Assault corn projectile. So you open assault corn projectile. This will sometimes be called bullet, depending on the character or weapon. You scroll down until you see start damage and end damage and then the fall off distances. Start damage, minimum amount of damage you'll do, or maximum, I apologize. And put that to 9. Minimum damage, I will put that to 7. This will be, well, the end damage, minimum amount. Fall off, while I can't tell you how far these distances actually are since there's no measurement given, the larger this number, the longer the projectile will fly before losing damage, and this is just when fall off stops, meaning minimum damage. So make these numbers whatever you'd like. Next, we'll be changing the actual ammo and firing of the weapon. So go to this assault corn file here, open object, and open weapon firing. Open primary fire, and fire logic. And here you can change the reload type. I would personally not mess with this. This is fine. FLT automatic fire, however, this fire logic type, this will let you change how the weapon fires. So you can go to single fire, automatic fire, burst fire, or hold and release, whichever you prefer. Open ammo. And here we have magazine capacity. So say we make this 60. And that is pretty much it. The only other thing I'll show, you can totally skip this if you'd like, is how to change melee damage. This only applies to Chomper and Captain Brains. So open the Captain Brains folder, go to primary. In this case, we'll be doing Party Brains. And here you'll see Party Fist weapon. open Object, and open Components. Over here, you will see these three files. Trapezoid damage component data. There are three of these because each hit does a different amount of damage. It's three different hits. So you just open them, open damage trapezoid, and change the damage you'd like, and do that for each of them. And that's pretty much it. This is how you change damage and health. I have not found movement speed yet, so I can't help you there. But this is pretty much it. Once you're done, hit Save Project. Choose where you'd like it to be saved. In this case, I'll just save it under here and save. Of course, you gotta name it. And I'll save it as a project file. And then to save it as a mod, this is very important because the mod loader or mod manager does not use project files. You have to export to mod, so give it a title, basic title. And here you can add any icons or images you'd like attached to the file or the mod, and then a description if you'd like. Save. I personally would save this next to your project files. Give it a name. And save the mod. And now you just go to the manager, import it, and it should work as usual. I hope this helped, and this is the end of the video.